Hello everyone, this is Vish. You're watching Learn Basics. So welcome again in question and answer series. I'm back here with 3 new questions. Okay. So the first question is, where should I download my software? Means which website I should prefer to download my software. Okay. The second question is, I generally forget my window password. Tell me any trick that I can overcome this problem. Okay. The third is, what is Quora? Okay. So one by one we'll understand the answer of these questions. So the first question is, where should I download my software? Okay. Look guys, there are multiple websites through that you can download your software. Okay. But I personally prefer the website called filehippo.com. Okay. I'm using this website since long time. Okay. And I get almost all kind of software which I required for my computer operation. Okay. So you can also refer this website and probably you'll get your required software in this. Okay. It is very easy to download. It is very easy to operate. So the second question is, I generally forget my window password. So if you have a habit to forget the window password, okay, so you can create a password reset disk for every computer. Okay. There is an option in Windows which we call password reset disk. Okay. With the help of this password reset disk, you can reset your password manually. Okay. And so how so you can create a password reset disk. A lot of tutorials are available on YouTube. You can refer those tutorials and you can create a password reset disk. Okay. You can create in a CD. You can create in a pen drive also. Okay. And with the help of this password reset disk, you can reset your password whenever you forget. Okay. So the third question is, what is Quora? Basically, Quora is a question and answer website. Okay. In this website, if you have any problem, if you need any solution, so you can ask the question. There are a lot of people who will give you the answer. Okay. And if you have expertise to answer the question, okay, so you can also answer the question which is asked by the other people. Okay. And now it is available in Hindi also. Okay. Means if you are a Hindi viewer, so you can also use Quora very proficiently. Okay. So I hope I have answered all these questions. In case of any question you have related to that, write in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. We'll meet in the next interesting tutorial. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.